Information is power.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka maundu ni maronekana kurituhira muteithia KARANGU wa Muraya kuma thogothane na mutumia wake Triza na kwihia makiria guthie kuria gwa Kindiki na kuhenia a Kenya uria SHA iragiteithia muingi.
Jana SHA na mimi naongea mbele ya Mungu ilinilipia 460,000 for 60. Sasa tunikuulize, mimi nikiulizwa kama SHA inafanya kazi nitasema aje?
Yes, inafanya.
Na ni undu wa miario iyo egie SHA mawira maya KARANGU arutaga ni mararema kurutika agukoretwo agithaitha fans followers na a Kenya mamuteithie acangire mundu wa hakuhi muno nake mbeca niguo marikie kuriha bill ya THIBITARI. Neno niyo post KARANGU agukoretwo akinengera followers ake akimera, I am feeling so ashamed that the body of my friend Sam from Gatanga is lying in the morgue because of hospital bill of 270k. Initially the bill was 700k, but SHA paid 300k and the family and friends were able to raise 100k. I've been avoiding to update about him, musinitukane sana, but after receiving so many calls and messages from the family, nimeona tu nimpost. Aki ya Mungu, my friends, please let's help this family to lay their son to rest. Na Akenya mati nakoro magieterera KARANGU na thie na mbere na kweyaria. Anthony akorwo akimwandikira na kumwira Pigia, Kindiki ama Ruto, kwani SHA haifanyi kazi tena. Kigai akira KARANGU SHA ni SHA ya sham kulipa, lakini SHA watusaidie. Na Kelvin akimwira SHA ilipe, si ulisema inafanya kazi. Derek onake akimwira you bragged a lot about SHA, call Kindiki himself. Na Purity akimwira you bought a car the other day for your wife. She also said you're rich, you can buy Nairobi, clear the hospital bill. KARANGU ni agikorirwo agicokia akionekana kuhotekeka ni miario ino ya a Kenya makimwira ni akorirwo agitia muno na akihenania muthenya barigici akiuga SHA ni raruta wira, koguo atiga kwira andu macange kuona agiriria coke kuria gwa Kindiki na kirore SHA ringi niguo muteithie. Ona mutumia wake erwo augire ni mutongu na koguo tongo ucio wake ndungiremwo tu kuruta. Ndigutenderithia ici makiria, make sure ni ura turn on your notification na uga subscribe angikorwo ni wakinya mwisho wa video ino. Nima ni urakorwo kiamukira na njira iria yagiriire video citu ki make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakoragwo uri wa mbere gukinyirwo. Tucemanie na wa next one.